Hello and welcome back to Creo Parametric. Today, let's just try out to make the 2D drawing for this 3D part. So let's start the video. Click on File, New, choose Drawing, select the proper name, uncheck this to choose the proper units. Use the templates already defined in Creo Parametric and choose a 3D drawing. I will say OK. This would actually happen when you already open your 3D parts. The Creo Parametric will automatically detect the basic views for you, which is the top view, front view, and the side view. You can create the isometric view by just clicking on the general view, say OK, click somewhere on the sheet, and make sure the isometric. And this time, I will just say OK. You can scale up by 0.04, and this time I will click on the annotation, show model annotation, select the view. For that you want to show model annotation, and I will choose all. OK. Next, annotate. Again, I will click on annotate, show model annotation, and this time I will choose this view. See, I will only keep this one and this one and this one, and I will hit OK. Next, click on dimension, annotate, click on dimension, and this time I can do it manually as well. Press middle mouse key, hit OK, dimension, and this time I will do this. Right? You can click on layout. Sometimes you need the detail view as well, because some portion don't seem to you well, and just close the sketch like this. See? And this is the detail view, right? And you can just put it somewhere. Just unlock the view, and suppose you just want to put it somewhere here, right? Or you can just drop it down over here. Sometimes you can click on the auxiliary view when there is taper in the isometric view and you just want to look that up from the top. So you can use the auxiliary view in that case. So these are the basic dimension. If you want to just align all the dimension, select the whole view, right click on the screen and select clean up dimensions, apply and close. You can just select all of them and drag it upward like this. You can delete what you don't want to be, and this time you can just drag it like this and drag it like this, and you have done. So this is how you can create a simple drawing inside Creo Parametric. The annotate tab is very important. You can create the GD&T that is really important for you, but first you know how to create the basic drawing. You can create a basic datum, like I just wanna choose this one, press middle mouse key, and this is, and I'll click on layout, right? And this time you can create note like here, just writing down anything, and boom, right? Next, what is possible to do is to just create a surface finish sample, and next what you can do, you can add text. So we have created the simple drawing for this model. See, you can do one thing to add this whole dimension, and I will hit OK. Hope this tutorial helped you out, and you can create tables, insert table, define rows and column, and put somewhere here. And this time you have done most of the things. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want to save as copy, click and select PDF and say OK. It will take some time. And here you go. See, this is what actually the drawing of your model. Hope you enjoyed this. Best of luck.